Hey guys, Steve Welch here, standing in front of a Pro 4runner. This is a iForce Max hybrid, right? So the hybrids always have a drive battery, and they also have a 12-volt battery just to get things started. Well, everybody always goes looking for the 12-volt battery under the hood. It's not under the hood. It's actually back here. So I'm gonna raise the back door up here and show you where your 12-volt battery is. All right, so if we look in the back here, you can see you've got the spot for the battery there, so you can see that it's lost a little bit of room back there because of that. Boxes, this floor mats, a lot of times people ask for that. So if you look over here, you're gonna see that you have a compartment right here. Pull this compartment open, and there is your 12-volt battery, just a regular battery to be able to get at, right? And then I also wanted to show you that down here, you have the jack tools are down here. So if you need the jack, to get the jack tools, it's down there. It's actually clamped in right there. A little plane going overhead here, but you'll see that pops right back in. And then your jack is actually right up here. So the three things that you might need to know is your jack tools, and your battery, 12-volt battery for your Toyota 4runner hybrid. This is in the 25 and newer 4runner. So Steve Welch, hope you guys have a great day. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.